Did you know there's now a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors, but also transforms into a portable spot cleaner for carpets and upholstery? This new device might just be the most practical cleaning innovation yet. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you're a fan of smart home gadgets. Let's talk about the Eufy Omni E28. At $999, this robot vacuum mop and spot cleaner combo is making waves. I've tested dozens of robot vacuums, but the E28 surprised me with how well it handles everything from regular cleaning to quick, targeted messes. The standout feature? A detachable spot cleaner built right into the robot's dock. You simply unplug it, grab the retractable handle, and it's ready to tackle messes on carpets, rugs, or furniture. It uses the same water tanks that supply the robot's mop, so it's compact but powerful. There's even a self-cleaning hose, so you're not left with a dirty machine after use. Now let's talk about the mopping. Eufy's integrated mop roller system is similar to their flagship S1 Pro, and it performs just as well, if not better. It cleans with consistent pressure, uses only clean water, and leaves zero streaks behind. A rare find in robot mops. The E28 applies 1.5 kilograms of downward force, more than the S1 Pro, which helps it get deep into grime. This vacuum also boasts 20,000 PA of suction power and anti-tangle technology with a double roller brush. That means it can handle pet hair without getting clogged up. It's self-emptying and self-washing too, which saves you a lot of manual maintenance. The only downside? When you remove the spot cleaner from the dock, it disconnects the robot's charging station. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if multiple people are using it in your home. Another small note. The brush head isn't motorized, so you do have to scrub manually. There's no separate detergent tank either, but you can apply cleaner directly to stains before scrubbing, then rinse with the E28. Eufy is also launching a slightly cheaper version, the E25, for $900 in June. It has the same vacuum and mop performance, but without the spot cleaner. The bottom line? The Eufy Omni E28 is perfect for anyone who wants a high-performance robot vacuum and mop, plus the convenience of a spot cleaner for everyday messes. If you've got kids, pets, or just a busy household, this all-in-one device could save you a lot of time and effort. Want to see how this compares with other robot vacuums on the market? Click the video in the corner to watch next.